Racing just started. We have Nonpareil, Mahogany Red, Big Secret. Rushing up on the outside is Yanni. No, Iana. Ace Up comes next. Then followed now by Double Strike. Running by the rail is G's Prize. And going along for the first turn, we have Big Secret. Mahogany Red is running by the rail. Yanni. No, Iana. Ace Up comes next. Then followed now by Nonpareil. Alongside comes Double Strike. Then followed by Barrio San Jose. Moving up, Yes Kitty, G's Prize. Racing second last. Well up the bonus. He's racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Mahogany Red, about a length. Moving up down on the inside is Nonpareil. Ace Up is on the outside. Big Secret. Yes Kitty comes next. In the middle portion is Yanni, no Yana. Barrio San Jose comes next. Yes Kitty up the bonus, while G's Prize now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Nonpareil moving up on the outside is Double Strike. And in third comes Mahogany Red, Barrio San Jose. Up the bonus, likewise arriving at the Sinas. They swing for home. We have Nonpareil this time by about 4 lengths. Moving up the bonus, Barrio San Jose is running by the rail. And finally, it's going to be Nonpareil. Up the bonus, Barrio San Jose, Double Strike, Mahogany.